Another textbook move in the market. Yesterday, I outlined the key levels to watch, and today, price action played out exactly as planned. But now, with the ES testing major resistance, the big question is, do the bulls have enough momentum to break higher, or are the sellers about to take control? In today's video, I'll break down the critical levels that could trigger the next big move, my game plan for both bullish and bearish scenarios, and what I'm watching for next. Let's dive in. Hey traders, how you guys doing out there? Hopefully you guys had a wonderful day today. Me, myself, and my Discord community, we had a very good day for sure. The few people that were on the voice chat definitely had a good day. Banked out in the early session and pretty much had runners all day and just played a few scalps later in the day. But yeah, let's get into it. We had another overnight, to early morning flush once again. Basically flushed all the way down to another key support, that 60-25, 60-35 area, which the bulls stepped in once again overnight, and right around this 1 a.m. California time, we started this reversal. Just like the last 2 days that we flushed overnight in that situation. After the bulls pretty much reclaimed the 60-35 and reclaiming that 60-42 area, basically gave them momentum, and we pretty much pushed all the way to the opening bell. About 15 minutes later, some data came out, which brought another opportunity, flushed it back down, tried to break that 35 level, that 60-35. It pierced it, basically gave us a FBD, a failed breakdown. Gave more opportunities to people who were not in it yet, so that was a good one right there. And pretty much ripped all day, ripped up and broke the high of day of yesterday, right at that 60-70 level, 60-69. Once we got above that, the bulls basically consolidated above there for about 2.5 hours or so, and then prior to power hour or so, the bulls looked like they had gained momentum. Push even higher past the 85. I mentioned the high of day at 60.85 in my newsletter, but I put it out way before this market even closed. And it looks like we hit a high 60.91, 60.90 area. So that was good to see. Yeah, what a good day. A lot of patience out there. Pretty much gave opportunities with just being patient. Didn't have to rush anything. It was fairly an easy day to trade, in my opinion. I see a lot of people out there struggling with these Trump markets, these whiplashes back and forth. I'm not sure what it is. If you're on smaller time frames, that 1 minute, 5 minute aspect, I don't think it's going to cut it. It's just not my ordeal. I don't use those. 15 minute at the least if you're going to do anything. I'm even taking my scalps on a 45-minute chart, and so if I'm doing that, I know other people should be able to do it. But anyways, the key levels to watch will be, the 60-70 support, right? 60-65, and then on down to this 60-55 area, which I'll be watching that. Our upper side would be that 60-85, which we're over that now. I'm expecting to pull back through the night, so that can become resistance once again. But if it doesn't, we got 60-97 above that, 6100, which is that major psychological level. Then pretty much my plan, actionable trading plan going forward, will be, if the bulls can go ahead and maintain above the 60-70, right? We need to hold that anywhere from the 65 to the 70 zone for further upside strength. A break above this 85 gives us the momentum to reach that 6100, maybe like 6105, 6113 to get a little extension. If price pulls back, I'll just watch these zones right here for the long entries. Let it react and confirm for you before you enter. On the bearish side, I would see if the sellers defend the 60.85, right? If we can reject off of that, and if we lose the 60.55 area, right? If we lose that 60.55, we can start pushing on back down to this key level, the 42 previous breakout zone, which that would set up a nice opportunity too. I don't really see us pulling back that far, but who knows with this overnight market, you know, it tends to pull back 20 to 40 plus points. So that'll be pretty much, you know, my approach. If we hold this 60, 70, 65, I'll look for the long setups towards 85, 97. If we lose the 60, 55, I'll shift my focus to the 60, 42 level to see any reaction from the bulls or bears there. Just go ahead and react to price action, right, in the levels. Trade what you see, not what you think. You know, if we get over that 60, 85, it should go ahead and create the next big move, I would say. Well, leading to that 6100, over that 6100 is when we'll get that next big one. But just remain, you know, have that patience, stay disciplined, and go ahead and let the levels guide you, right? Don't rush it. Don't go with too much of your prediction. Chart the night before or early in pre-market, analyze the chart, and have a set goal and plan, right? 75% of trading should be all about chart and analysis, and 25% should be managing that trade, right? Managing that plan, following that plan. But yeah, hopefully you guys all had a good day. I'll see you guys in the Discord community if you're there. But yeah, have a good one.